welcome once again to my little piece of paradise. And today we are going to look at the way you see your little piece of paradise inside on the screen of the mind. Because as some of you are about to discover, people think in pictures. Don't think of a pink elephant. Seriously, don't think of a pink elephant and what pops up on the screen of the mind. That's right, a pink elephant. What colour is the interior of your car? That's right, look inside and a picture flashes up on the screen of the mind and you find that colour. If I were to ask you to imagine a cat crossing the street, you wouldn't think of 3 letters crossing that street. You know, people are forever seeking my help to improve their confidence. And the first thing I ask them is, what do you want to be confident in? They generally say sales or something like that. And I ask them, have you had much training in that particular area? If they say no, then I get them to do some sales training with me. Or if it is a different area that is out of my scope of practice, I send them off to a specialist to be trained in that particular area. You see, if I asked, can you make me a piece of toast? Straight away a clear picture comes up on the screen of the mind. You can see the toaster, the bread, the butter, the knife, and there is an internal soundtrack on narration that goes with it, telling you exactly what to do. If I asked you to do something that you have no experience in, like for example to replace a small part in the core of a nuclear reactor, you would have no picture, maybe a small distant fuzzy one at best, and certainly no clear instructions from your inner voice. Where there is no picture, there is confusion, which leads to fear, anxiety and stress in its many forms. I hope you are starting to get the picture that this is what leads to the belief that they lack confidence. But what they really lack is appropriate training and the skills that come as a result of that training. We will talk more on this in the next lesson. Do you lack the health and mental health needed to achieve your purpose in life? If you aren't living in a healthy body and possess a positive mental attitude, you probably don't ever feel like getting much work done. This is generally due to a lack of self-control, and we are going to address this more in the next lesson. However, I want you to really consider this fully and answer this lesson with complete honesty, because this is vital to your success. So be sure to carefully read all of the information contained within this page, because it contains all the answers for the lesson quiz at the bottom. And only after you have completed the quiz will I see you in the next lesson. Which of the following are keeping you from good health and mental health? And remember, whatever you do to yourself.